Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Joy and freedom. Joy is the reason for being. If something brings you joy and peace, embrace it, allow it, and let it unfold as it should. Know that God wants nothing less than for you to be happy, at peace, and truly fulfilled. When you realize this, you know what true freedom is, and you know you're destined for happiness and success. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for new subscribers to my YouTube channel. I'm very grateful for meeting new friends. And I'm very grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.